Hi, welcome to the Faculty of Mechanical Engineering Technology, and this is the administrative block.
Right now we are inside of FTKM, which exactly at the administration building. So in this video we're gonna explore the mechanical heart of vertical transportation, the elevator system. This elevator is engineered to serve a 3-floor building. Let's take a closer look inside of this elevator. Here the display indicates the floor and operational status for a safe travel. Inside the lift cabin, the load rating shows a maximum of 1025 kilograms or 15 passengers with a contact number for emergencies. Below, the elevator inspection certificate, valid until April 20, 2026, confirms the compliance and regular maintenance of the hoisting machinery. The certificate of fitness for an elevator in Malaysia is typically valid for a period of 15 months.
In this elevator, the lighting size and interior design should match the cabin dimensions. It's important to check whether the lights are too bright or too dim, as improper lighting can cause discomfort for staff and students, and determine if any replacements are necessary. Moreover, we also inspected that all buttons on the lift control panel are functioning correctly.
So right now, we are inspecting the air vents of the elevator. We have to make sure they have good ventilation and flow. Now we are checking the top floor panel to make sure that it's robust and sturdy. Now moving on to the rails of the elevator, we have to make sure that there isn't any debris that will block the flow, and then we must ensure full functionality of the sensor. Following on, we also have to check the handrail and make sure that it is functioning well.
Inside the lift cabin, we check for unusual vibration that may signal mechanical issues. We also inspect the door tracks and rails, ensuring they are free of wear or obstruction for safe and smooth operation.
So right now, we are measuring the amount of time taken for the lift to move up one floor. And as per recorded, it's taken up to 12 seconds to reach to the second floor from the first floor.
Now we enter the interesting part, to the control room, the central hub of the building safety and elevator system. Here we have the fire alarm control panel, which monitor fire safety. The lift supervisory panel oversees elevator operation, while the essential distribution board and emergency battery backup ensure uninterrupted power. Finally, the graphic annunciator visually shows the exact location where the lift is placed in the building.
Okay, so right now we are evaluating the lift supervisory panel. So here we have to ensure that all the lights are turned on according to the operation of the lift, and also from this panel is where we can control the entire brains of lift.
At this stage, the building management system, which is known as BMS, in the control room was inspected to identify any fault signals or abnormal operating parameters. Maintenance data was uploaded to cloud-based systems to ensure redundancy, data integrity, and recovery during system failures. Daily entries and systematic documentation in the e-logbook provides accountability, audit readiness, and support reliable preventive maintenance planning. In this situation, it is important that faculty, students, and staff remain calm and do not react as I did in the previous scene. Instead of panicking, the correct SOP is to press the alarm button marked with a bell symbol or refer to the speed dial for the emergency number, as clearly indicated on the top right panel inside the elevator cabin. In conclusion, if proper elevator maintenance was not performed, emergency situations such as the one presented in the first scene can happen. To ensure safe and reliable operation, the PIC in charge for the administration building should implement both routine and preventive maintenance that includes regular inspections, functional testing for alarms and safety systems, together with scheduled servicings for mechanical and electrical components to prevent risks and hazards.